Hello sweet friends and welcome back to my channel. Come spend the day with me as I go shopping and pick up some smoothies. As soon as you walk into Lowe's, this is what you see. Hilarious. I only stopped in just to get some paint stir sticks. And this is for a craft project. Every time I'm in Lowe's, I have to check out their home decor. Like their trees, their rugs, all the things. Don't sleep on Lowe's. They have some really good stuff. My next stop is Target. I love their dollar spots. I also want to check out some organizational bins for our medicine cabinet. Oh my goodness, y'all, this Hearth and Hand. Ooh, its stuff is so nice, but it's expensive. I'm pretty impressed with Target's florals. They're very pretty and they're affordable. And they're good quality. I didn't buy any though. When I get home, I'm going to show you my haul. My smoothie, now it's time to head home. I'll show you my haul when I get there. Okay friends, I just got back from getting my smoothies and Target. I'm going to show you what I got. It's not a very big haul, but got these bins. I got 3 of them because our medicine, where we keep our medicines and medications and everything in that cabinet, it's a whole wreck. So I'm hoping that with 3 of these, I'll be able to organize it better. So yeah, 3 of these. I didn't get any shoes, and they were like 70% off, but that place was a madhouse today. I didn't even take into account that school starts back tomorrow. Ooh. Oh my goodness, it was madhouse. I got some bread flour. I watched a video where this woman was making her own bread, her own sandwich bread. So I thought I'd try it. You gotta love YouTube. Oh, I got a frother. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. I got a little spritz bottle because my e.l.f. setting spray stopped spraying. So hopefully this will work. I don't have the receipt for that. That was weeks ago. There's a lid for it. And the cooktop cleaner, we've been needing some more of that. Oh, a deep conditioning mask. A 2-pack of bras. Y'all don't need to see that. And I got a bikini top. Got it for $7.50. All right, so here's our medicine cabinet. And I guess I should have got 4 of those bins. So now I have my bin, his bin. We have the extra stuff over there. That's like the cold and flu stuff. But I need a dog bin. I think I'm gonna run back to Target and get another bin. Well, I was gonna go into Marshall's, but the weather is looking rude. I need to go home. Okay, so I got home just in time because it is nasty outside. But I went back to Target. They did not have the same kind of bin, so I got this one. It comes with a lid. It's not a big deal. I'm just gonna cut this off and organize the rest of our medications. All right, so now we have the dog stuff over there, Eric's stuff right there, my stuff right there, and then that's like the extras, the overflows and the cold and flu stuff. So this is what I did with the lid. I put our olive oil and salt and pepper on it. I don't want to throw it out. How many pounds is this?
Huh?
How many pounds of chicken?
Close to 5.
5 pounds? Okay.
One was like 2.5, the other was 2.3. So
Oh, okay. We'll call it 5. This is why I got this sprayer. This right here stops. It stops spritzing. So, got my funnel. I feel like a problem solver today. I hope I don't need that little metal ball. This is going in the garbage, but got my elf stuff back. It's still raining, and the forecast says that it's going to be raining until probably about 10 p.m. and we cannot eat that late because we have work in the morning, so Blackstone it is. All right, asparagus is prepped. We have salt, pepper, a little bit of the blend, some onion powder, some garlic powder, and that's in the toaster oven, ready to rock and roll. All right, so here's our dinner. Asparagus, fancy rice, and some marinated chicken thighs.